How to enter into the split screen mode, and this is for your Poco X7 Pro phone with HyperOS 2. The usual way in which you want to go about doing split screen mode, let's just say you have some apps open already and you want to go into the recent view mode. If you have the navigation buttons, you'll tap on this button right here or perform the swipe gesture that lets you go into the recent view mode like this here. Now you're going to see all the apps you have open already, and for whichever one you want to enter into split screen mode, long press the app like this, and you will see that there is a split screen option, which is this one right here. If it's not highlighted, for which you can actually select it, it means this app cannot go into split screen mode. So once you tap on it, it'll enter like this here. The app will go up here to the top. And while in this mode here, you can choose from another app that you have open already. So for example, Chrome, and now you can navigate both apps at the same time with split screen mode, which is what split screen mode is for. Now you also have a few more options. You can adjust the slider here, and in some cases it'll let you get one to the top bigger or the one to the bottom more screen time. You also will notice these three dots in the bottom app right here. When you tap on it, you'll have more options. One will allow you to switch the bottom for the top, and you also will be able to have them enter into the floating app window mode. This one with the X basically closes out split screen mode, and this one here with the filled out square will let you go into full display mode for that app itself. And of course, you can always repeat this process when you're ready to go into split screen mode back again and have some fun. Like and sub.